guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and a lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. If you haven't seen the title already, we are doing a digital vision board. I did one last year and I honestly like it better than an actual vision board where you pull out the magazines and stuff. That's still fun. It's its own thing. It's super fun. But I feel like this is one not wasteful, and because I do use my phone and my iPad almost every day, it's just gonna be constantly in my face. So I feel like I'm just gonna remember a lot better of what my goals are for the year. It did turn out very cute. I will input a picture right here for the iPad version and my iPhone version as well, because I do have it on both, and I usually keep it that way until it's like Halloween and Christmas. That's when I change my aesthetic wallpaper. But for the most part, all year, I will be having this all year round. If you guys want to see how I created my digital vision board, then go ahead and keep watching my video. So before we get started, I obviously need my protein shake and my snack. So that's what I'm just doing here. I need my protein shake because it honestly just tastes like a smoothie and it fills me up. I also usually eat this with some popcorn, but today I tried to change it up and I saw some chips at Aldi's. They're chicharrones with lime. And I haven't seen those. I saw the chicharrones just with like spice in it, but this time they added the lime in it and I was like, ooh, I need to try those. And I did, and it was really good. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just getting my chicharrones and lime ready and my smoothie. And I thought that this was kind of gonna go differently because you guys are just watching me be a fat ass, basically. So yeah, enjoy me eating, and now we are just gonna go into our Pinterest board. So I put all of my goals in my notes. I have like 17 goals for 2025, and at first I was gonna do 2 pictures for each goal, but that became way too much and I couldn't fit all the photos in there. So I just stuck with 1 photo. I'm gonna go through my goals while I'm doing my Pinterest search, but I do want to eat more protein and focus on having my meals to have more protein in them. And I want to make more content for myself and for Mac or Mac Counter. I do want to get more involved in Mac. Hopefully by the end of the year, I'm somewhat involved. I don't know, let the universe kind of take it, but basically be a part of the Mac influence world. That would be honestly really cool. Also, my teacher went from when I was 15, when I went to beauty or makeup school. She is high up in Mac, and I'm hoping to have a full circle moment with her, but we'll see when that happens. I also want to control my eating habits. I know you guys just saw me eat some chicharrones with limon, but that was protein. Yes, awkward silence because I'm still trying to. It's okay. We're gonna get to it. I do want to work on running a half marathon at least by the end of the year. And it's gonna be tough and hard right now. Even in the winter time, I'm like dreading to go outside, but it's very much needed. I want to find my spots in Ohio, like my Hispanic spots, and finding all the beauty products. I want to travel. I want to practice being good at sales. I want to focus on cycle syncing and just self-care within myself. I want to find my style. I want to be a good mom and wife. I also was looking at bringing back 2016 vibes, which is what I'm doing here, but I couldn't find any on Pinterest, so I was like, let me just pull up some old pictures of me in 2016 because I lived through that moment. And I want to connect more with my culture and my Spanish. So those are my goals for 2025. But I'm gonna just pause because my son and my husband are about to come in and just be the stars of the show.
The music, cut the music.
Sexy librarian.
Oh my gosh. Big Day, you actually did this? My glasses are like
Airplane. Do it. Give me airplane, no. That was airplane.
why you not your dada?
No, you did it for me. Well, that's my life.
So yeah, I ended up getting him his ice cream, obviously, because I'm the only person that can do it for him, apparently in his eyes. But yeah, it was kind of hard to find everything else on Pinterest while I was being distracted on pushing up the popsicle and just everyone around me. I was getting very overstimulated. The TV was blasting. We were watching Cat in the Hat. So there was a lot. But I ended up finding everything, and like I said, I pretty much used one picture for each goal because 17 goals with 2 pictures was just way too much and it was not fitting. So now we are just gonna go to Canva and create our new wallpaper. Um, Honestly, just start a new document and I just kind of flipped it so it's landscaped. And I just started adding all of my pictures and organizing it, kind of seeing what I wanted to focus more on and what I wanted to see. I do really want to push my content creating a lot more and obviously my Mac content as well. Everything's pretty important to me, so I think the only thing that's kind of like, if it happens, it happens. I don't really care, is my style. I mean, I've tried for so long, and I just can't seem to figure it out. So that's the part where I'm like, I'll try, but if I don't succeed, that's okay. I go to Pinterest a lot, every day, actually, to figure out my outfits every single day. Um, I do also want to work on my workload, like not only with Mac, but I do want to start doing my lashes and my brows again. Clearly, because I collected the pictures, but it's just, I don't know what stops me. I think it's kind of hard right now because we are trying to save up and have a goal with like me and my husband. We have our own sets of goals as a couple and being in a relationship and what we want to do next and whatever, you know? So it's just hard when we also have that mindset of like we're stuck on budgeting. I can't really go out and go rent a booth or anything. And I'm also scared to do it out of my house because there's a lot of laws that you need to follow. And yeah, so I just don't want to risk that either. I know a lot of people are gonna say, like, oh, everyone does it. Yeah, but I'd be the one to get caught. So that's the issue. I'd be everyone's learning experience. But finally, once we got it all together, I'm just gonna save it. And then once everything's all saved and done for my iPad version, I'm just gonna collect everything, switch the border to the iPhone wallpaper, and again, just start moving things around and setting them into place because the wallpaper for the iPhone is totally different and I can't just like stretch things out. So yeah, I have to replace everything. And I'm gonna just let you guys watch this until I'm done and then we can start editing the photo. So once we have both photos, now we're just going to get into the editing part. The way I like to do it is I like it to be bright and I like it to be colorful, but I also like it to be faded. So that's the look I'm going for, and once I'm done editing the landscape version, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it to the iPhone version. And of course, we are just going to set it as our wallpaper. Alright, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create my digital vision board. I honestly love it because I get to see it every single day now and what my goals are for 2025. It's kind of like some type of therapy for me to like complete all my goals and create this digital vision board, especially the aesthetic version. It just looks nice and pretty. You can also create your normal vision board if you want. This one, it's kind of just, it's not wasteful, and everyone uses their phone every single day, so it's just going to be in your face all year. I am kind of all over the place. I do have something planned for my next video. I might film an everyday updated makeup tutorial mommy edition because this is kind of it right here. If you guys want to know how to get this look, stay tuned for next Friday's video. But other than that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherre Boutique, and I will be back with more videos.